Altcoin investors, you got maybe just a few months left of current crazy altcoin mania to book in those profits. That's according to the Altcoin Season Index, finally flashing that we are indeed in altcoin season. So let's discuss that. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about Ethereum. Let's talk about the big news from Cardano and a bunch of other stuff. So let's get straight into it. Altcoin season, baby. It's back. It's back. You can see this is Blockchain Center's chart here. Altcoin season rating currently at 80. Anything over 75 shows that altcoins are basically outperforming. Now, important to note, and why I say we got potentially a few months, you can see back here, March 2021, and it's actually a bit of a lagging indicator to some extent in 2021, because really altcoins started moving from January. So January, February saw massive outperformance for altcoins. But really, the big blow-off came March, April, and by the end of May, altcoins were largely cooked. And of course, we saw then the prices coming back down. So mid-May 21, we saw really the tide turning, and then we left altcoin season. So it's not a perfect indicator by any means, but it is showing that we're entering a period of major opportunity for profit taking on altcoins, okay? Profit taking on altcoins. Largely, you don't want to be buying a whole lot more. I know there's still a lot of opportunities to buy stuff. There's still some great entries on stuff. I mean, you know, things are moving pretty good here, guys. If you're trying to get positions now, you are a little bit late to the game. Fajao is saying financial conditions are now nearly as loose as they were during the 2021 frenzy. Let that sink in for a second. Keep dancing, but make sure you have an eye on the door for when the party ends, because the party will end, and it'll probably end a lot faster than you think it will. Now, we're still hoping that we see markets pump until sort of March or April for at least a first cycle top, if not the cycle top, okay? A cycle top, if not the cycle top. Keep that in mind. Okay, and we've got a video coming for you later about a potential major correction that could come in January, right? Sort of Raoul Pal's theory on how the global M2 money supply could cause a major correction to come in for Bitcoin in January. Watch that. That's coming out in about 12 hours time. Keep an eye out for that video. Very solid information in there. Price of Bitcoin currently still in that downtrend. Not too much exciting to talk about there. We moved the line up a little bit here, but we're still in a downtrend here for the price of Bitcoin. Any retests around 92K, probably great opportunities for the month of December for people looking to run it up over 100K and into some new price discovery there. Real quick shout out to today's sponsor, which is iTrust Capital. Guys, if you want to have a tax efficient way of doing the cryptocurrency game, you might want to look at what iTrust has to offer for you. You can bring over your 401K, your IRA, whatever. You can start a new one, bring over your existing one, and you can trade as much crypto as you want. Solana, Dogwoof Hat, XRP, thousands of trades. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter how many trades you do, because you're not going to hit a taxable event once, which can make a huge difference to your long-term bottom line in terms of your profitability from your cryptocurrency investments. That is the power of wrapping your crypto trading in a retirement vehicle. Pretty cool, right? You can buy and sell 24/7, wide variety of coins, even get gold and silver via the partnership with Kitco, real deal stuff, also real deal coins. You can actually take those coins out and get in-kind withdrawals and actually put those coins in your pocket. So that's pretty damn cool too, right? Low cost, no monthly fees. They are the biggest retirement provider in the crypto space. So if you want to learn more about what they're doing and learn more about their tax-advantaged accounts, there's a link down below in the description. You can get a $100 bonus as well when checking out that link down below. So go check it out and support our sponsors. Thank you so much. Okay, so Bitcoin ETF inflows on fire again. All right, we had a few chill days back here at the end of November. Wall Street was like, I don't know, man. Now they're back in full force. 2nd December, we've already had $1 billion in inflows this week, guys. $1 billion in inflows already, again, this week. $676 million yesterday. Monday was 350. I mean, it's so bullish out here that they're even buying the damn Ethereum ETFs, man. I mean, look at this. $132 million of Ethereum ETFs got bought. Let's go. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy, man. Wall Street is going to keep bidding up the corn, man. Be warned. Be warned. They're buying in the mid $90,000 range. Oh, you think they're doing that to buying at $95,000 to flip it at 96? Nah, dog. They're running this up into price discovery. You watch. ETH holders watching all the shit coins fly. Ah, yes. Yes, ETH at a very critical space right now. So this current price of Ethereum, $3,728. I'm recording this video. Now, this little orange box right here, an area of interesting, let's say, price resistance zone, an area that was once support here back in 24, resistance here as well. So, you know, there's some confluence of price here, but most importantly, of interest to me, is this right here. This orange line, this is the downtrend line, the multi-year downtrend line. Now, if you watched our Ethereum price prediction video last week, $15,000, you'll know about this gigantic weekly triangle is forming up. We're right there, man. We're right on the cusp of breaking out from it. However, this would be, in my opinion, the perfect place for a little bit of a correction, right? You don't want to just break out of the triangle immediately. You need to fake everybody out, get everybody super excited, get everybody super long, right at resistance, then blammo, pull the rug out, bring it back down to like, you know, $3,500 or something like that. Would not surprise me. Not saying that's what's going to happen, but would not surprise me, okay? When we break the orange line, I expect big moves from ETH in not very short amount of time, so things can move real fast. Is that right? Things can move fast, okay, when that happens. Still targeting 15K for a cycle peak here for ETH. Before we get into the funky news, let's just do some fun stuff. Virgin Voyages announcing its first cruise line to accept Bitcoin as payment. Now, Virgin has gone in and out of accepting Bitcoin over time. I know back in the day, Richard Branson was taking Bitcoin in exchange for their Virgin Galactic flights, but this was like 10 years before you even get on the Virgin Galactic flight. Oh, you should have held that Bitcoin, man. And I'm not even, is Virgin Galactic even flying anymore? I don't know, man. That stock went down like 99%. That was brutal. Bought that stock, lost my shirt on it. Good thing I only put like 20 grand or something in. Anyway, c'est la vie, that's life. So, but they're going to take some Bitcoin. Will anybody pay for their cruises in Bitcoin? I don't know. I wouldn't. I'd just pay cash. But somebody might, especially at the top of the market. Korea's been going nuts, and this is relevant for us because Korea's crypto crazy, as we were covering yesterday. Shortly after yesterday's news video, martial law was declared in South Korea for some crazy reason. Holy cow. W1 here is saying, Korean crypto market just experienced a flash crash. Bitcoin and upbit plunged to 61K. Many alts dropped 30-40% while the global market remained stable. This serves as an intriguing data point of how isolated fiat liquidity could react, especially under extreme conditions like a president declaring martial law. Absolute crazy stuff going on here. Current state of declaration of martial law in Korea. Upbit and Bithumb have been frozen. Assets there at a 50% discount. Panic across the board because no one expected this. Just surprise, martial law, everybody. They sent like the helicopters in and stuff to Parliament with like troops and like, I don't know what the current state of it is, but what was interesting that South Korea declares martial law after political strife, and it may have already finished. I don't know. I'm not super up to date on it, but what I like to point this out is that in immediate response, I was like, don't worry about the markets and stuff, everybody. There's infinite money. We will print infinite money to support markets because that's always the reaction. Oh, any crisis, don't worry. We'll just print money. You'll be fine. Shh. Bankers, man, it's always the damn same. Is it got a problem? Print money. Big news on the new SEC chair. Guy named Paul Atkins. So Trump proposing Paul Atkins, a pro-crypto trailblazer, to lead the SEC, marking a massive win for the crypto industry. Are you ready for XRP ETFs? Are you ready for Solana ETFs, Dogecoin ETFs, AVAX ETFs? Everything's getting an ETF, okay? We're all going to eat. It's going to be crazy. Atkins, known for his forward-thinking stance on digital assets, promises to deliver clear, innovation-friendly regulations that could finally put the U.S. at the forefront of global crypto leadership. This bold pick is a clear break from Gary Gensler's enforcement-heavy era, signaling a new chapter for fair, industry-driven policies. Trump's move is a game-changer for the future of digital finance. This is the kind of person you need in charge of the SEC. I mean, holy crap, we might finally get some real common sense regulation coming out of the United States in regards to crypto. We're going to get all the ETFs. We're going to have an end of the lawfare that's been going on. No more choke point 2.0 trying to unbank everybody. No more chasing after Coinbase and stuff like that. Maybe we'll actually have to go after the bad actors finally. Imagine that. Imagine that, guys. Crazy stuff. Coinbase. Mogcoin. Now, apparently also the base version of. So, I mean, this is like, again, I feel like it's a slap in the face here, Coinbase. List my damn Brett coins, list my Benji coins. Maybe I should go rebuy some Miggles coin. You can list that too. Start listing my bags, Coinbase. Start listing more like actual native base coins, man. Come on, Coinbase. What are you doing? Hey, congratulations to Cardano. This is a great announcement from Charles Hoskinson. He said Hydra hit 1 million transactions per second. Well done, guys. Well done. We celebrate that. That's fantastic. We love celebrating winning. That's a massive win for crypto, a massive win for Cardano. Absolutely awesome. Crazy, crazy stuff. Long time coming. They've been working on Hydra for a very, very long time, of course. So, 1 million transactions per second. I mean, that's, in a test environment, but still, man, that's like very, very, very insane. So, now let's just get a bunch of stuff built on Cardano, and it's going to go like absolute next level, right? So, huge, huge scalability with Hydra. So that's absolutely fantastic. And congratulations. Massive achievement, guys. Sign up to the newsletter. We got a newsletter. It's awesome. You'll love it. About 150,000 people a week read that bad boy. Meme coins, altcoins, altcoin deep dives, deep dives, deep dive, deep dives, altcoin alpha, news, technical analysis charts, much more. Link down below. It's free. Go check it out. Guys, thanks so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you back in the next one. Peace.